Good morning. This is a recipe for food for our birds, and I'm calling it rice jambalaya. There's no meat, no anything. This is all veggies. So let's begin. You'll need 1 ounce of each of these: spelt, steel-cut oats, brown rice, chia, figs, if your bird likes figs, 2½ cups of water. Bring the water to a boil and add the above. Stir it about constantly. When it comes back up to a boil, turn it down to a medium to low simmer and let it cook 20 minutes. Let it sit, turn off the heat, let it sit 30 to 40 minutes to let the ingredients absorb the water. You may need to drain it even after that. Chill and add your veggies such as peas, carrots, broccoli, etc., etc. Package for the freezer. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, this has peas and broccoli in it. I also added some pumpkin seeds to it because I'm trying to get baby to eat some pumpkin seeds. So we're ready for the freezer. Let's start. Okay, this is 1 1/8 ounce. And this is about the size package that I would make for him. Now, normally I would add toppers to this, but it already has chia in it. So I'm just going to set these aside and keep going. This is pretty gelatinous from the chia, so I guess I would reduce that to 1/2 ounce. This also has a little bit of cinnamon in it for him. Let's see. Okay, that's 5/8. That's okay. One more. There. It's 1 1/8 ounces. I'm packaging this up so that I can stack them in the freezer, and I like these little Ziploc small boxes. They're made for like salad dressing and that type of stuff, and they work really good for packaging up quantities of food. Okay, that's dead on 1 ounce. I used to buy Worldly Cuisines all the time for him, and they use a different form of rice, and he doesn't seem to like it as much, so that's why I'm going to the brown rice. I will be back and show you after it's completely packaged. Okay, all ready to cap. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 little boxes. Plus 1 really tiny one, and that will be the starter and go in the fridge. But all these will be in the freezer, and this is a good way to get your bird to try something different. Like I said, I used to buy Worldly Cuisines, but the price has gone up to the point of being absolutely ridiculous. So I'm going to try my own version. Anyway, this is rice jambalaya for your birds with veggies. It's all veggie based. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.